My Tennessee Home Solution is a local veteran-owned and operated home buying company serving Middle Tennessee and providing solutions for any situation. Joining us this morning with more is Charles Chandler and Corbin Hoffman. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Well, Charles, first tell us what sets you guys apart from other home buying companies?
Yeah, and I think really what it boils down to and what most people have said to us and either after a transaction or after they've interacted with us is just our desire to genuinely and authentically connect with people and make a positive impact. And I think that's really what ultimately sets us apart.
Yeah, and Corbin, tell us a little bit more about what are some of the common reasons people reach out to you all?
So a lot of it has to do with big changes in life, and that can either be for the positive or an unfortunate reason. It can happen either suddenly or it can happen over a long period of time, but some common reasons would be an inherited property, maybe a divorce, retiring, downsizing, a lot of repairs, things like that.
Yeah. What are some other programs or offers that you provide homeowners?
Yeah, so most common is our cash offer, but I think what we're able to do is also meet people where they are if they need to sell their home and maybe they don't have a lot of equity in it. So we offer an equity protection program. Another common one is individuals that are a really good fit probably to sell on the open market, and so we offer a concierge listing service as well. So it's kind of a hybrid of a cash offer and your traditional listing.
All right, and real quick, other than price, how else do you help homeowners that are looking to sell?
Yeah, so we like to look at things very holistically. So getting a fair cash offer is first and foremost, or really any one of our offers, but other than that, we look at everything it's going to take to get a homeowner from point A to point B. That could be moving, storage units, helping them find the next place that they're going to go. But that's
all right. Well, thank you guys for being here. For more information on My Tennessee Home Solution, you can give them a call at the number you see right there on your screen or visit them online at mytennesseehomesolution.com.